Alright, here is Millennium Rock. The rock named after the world's first coaster to top 300 feet and the world's tallest, fastest full circuit coaster at the time, Millennium Force. It's go time. What up, y'all? Phantom Fanatic here. We're here at Skyland Ranch here in Sevierville, Tennessee to use our lifetime pass we got back in November of last year. It's very rainy. We're just coming here for a quick ride. We were going to do something bigger, but we're going to save the big stuff for 2 weeks. You're going to have to see what that is, but for now, let's go and hop on Wild Stallion. Let's do this. Alright, y'all, here we go. We're here on Wild Stallion. Here at Skyland Ranch, a rainy ride. I wonder how fast we will fly. Man. It's like pretty warm out too. A cool warm, 68 degrees. Man. Man. You guys don't understand. We were supposed to go to Fun Spot and Six Flags over Georgia today. Yeah, excuse me, this weekend. Man. This will absolutely do though. Man, he's got like there's a bug up there y'all can't see. Y'all are pointing straight. Man. It's raining. It'll go fast. Oh my god. And y'all know the drill. We're going full speed in the rain. Normal max speed on this thing is about 35-ish miles an hour. Living what? I think we can exceed it like 41 or something. I don't know. Man, there's an impressive skyline off to my left that y'all can't see. And what a shame. Wish y'all could see the skyline. Oh well, we're about to go. I ought to put my pants up, man. These pants aren't long enough, man. I normally find this a little different. Especially when it's moving at high speeds. It's gonna be cold. Man, it's probably not. Oh, the skyline is incredible. We got Hollywood Wax Museum, the Christ Plus, I don't know what you would call it, but here we go. Yeah, of course it slows us down, buzzkill, but here we go. Oh, hey, woo, oh, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god. Woo! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh! 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 Oh my gosh. It feels like they kill us on Legend. Oh my gosh. Except over and over again. Oh! I seen there's no one in front of me. That was great. I seen there's no one in front of me, so I can just keep on going. Haley is going slow. I do not blame her at one bit for going not quite full speed. Alright, second left. We're going up. This thing has only 2 left hills. Bro, starting the loop. Whoa. Man, those levels are great on these mountain coasters. They feel like a toned down version of like The Helix on Legend, the Legend at Holiday World. They're wild. You really get thrown around gently on this ride. You gently get thrown around. You really get thrown around gently on this ride. Quite a bit. Man. I love these mountain coasters. Some may think. I do agree, some are better than others. My personal favorite is Rail Runner and Akista. I know that's probably an unpopular opinion. Please note, I have not done the mountain coasters outside of Pigeon Forge, like Georgia Mountain Coaster this time. See, but here we go. This time, brakes aren't gonna hit, we're just gonna slide on through. Yep, here we go. Woo! I think this is the faster section. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! There's like a tiny pop of airtime. Oh, here we go. Oh! 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 I think they're putting it away from or not. There's some few people visiting. I think she's gonna come. She should be coming. I think she's behind me. Yeah, I think I literally just saw her shadow. Man, that's a super fun ride. What? Yeah? Wait, we can get out? You're not gonna advance me forward?
Huh?
How was it, bud?
Good.
Did you have fun?
Yep.
You can go ahead next to your right.
Awesome.
How was it?
Good.
A little wet, but hey, that's okay.
Yeah, nothing too bad.
Makes the track go a little faster.
I was gonna say, I think it makes it go faster.
Yeah.
That's what I told him in the car. Thank you guys.
Alright, yo.
You too.
That was a super wet POV of Legend. I mean, Wild Stallion here at Skyland Ranch. If you enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate if you gave this video a like and consider subscribing, because there will be a lot more roller coaster, amusement park, and vlogs here from the Phantom Fanatic. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.